Now let's look at Technical Drawing 2 essay for the year 2020 for private candidate. All right, let's look at question 1b. 1b, a pentagon PQRST rests on its side PQ of length 50. Length 50, that's PQ is length 50. That's the base. Angle TPQ is 120 degree. Angle PQR is 150 degree, and angle QRS and RST are 90 degree each. Now construct the pentagon. 2. A similar pentagon of ratio 5 to 3 in area of the given pentagon, So what we'll do is we are going to draw our baseline in our plane of projection first of all. Then on that plane of projection, we will measure our baseline 50. So let me use my compass to dot that point, to make a point there. Okay, so I'm going to label it PQ, and its length 50 millimeter. After this base 50 millimeter, what is next is to draw our angle TPQ, that is 120 degree. So what we do is get our protractor. As you can see, this P, then our T, since it's a TPQ, so our T, that is something that will come in this format, and the angle is going to be on P. Now this 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So it's going to be here. So we're going to do it like this. From here, here. Good. Yeah, beautiful. That's it. This angle 120 degree. Then let me put it TPQ. Then the next one is angle PQR. So it's 150 degree. So we put our protractor on Q. Then we'll now take our angle, measure 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 121, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. Okay. Good. So here is 115 degree. So then what we'll now do is to now draw and angle QRS. As you can see, this PQ, and this we will label this place as R. Then the next one is angle QRS. Now you can see Q, R, then another angle that will come like this, S. Yes, it's said to be 90 degree. That is 90 degree. So what I'll do is I can use my protractor, and I can also use my set square, my 45-degree set square. You can see this angle 90 degree, but I'm going to be using this small one. So this is it. We are not given the length, so we can use any length. Okay, QRS is 90 here, and RS RST RST is also 90 degree. So we'll move to this part to do our 90 degree here. Okay, you can see it should be too small. Let me increase this one. Okay, good. Okay, all right. X. All right. So there's a pentagon. It's an irregular pentagon. So what next is to this is RT. So now this is the pentagon. Then we've justified question B high. Then we are moving to B I high. That is a similar pentagon of ratio 5 to 3 in the area to the given pentagon. So what we'll do is to extend this PQ line. After extending, divide it into 5 equal parts. So if making Q the center, you cut one, two, three, four, five. Good. So now, having done this, what is next is to bisect P3. 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 Okay. Just the center that I need. Now, having bisect point P to 3, then I will draw a semicircle from that point P to 3. Good. So you bisect P to 5. So the center of P25 is to draw your semicircle. So I even bisect P25. Or you now, all you now do, you draw a perpendicular. Draw a perpendicular from point Q. Point Q, draw a perpendicular. Good. Then where point Q is cutting point, I mean the semicircle for P5, draw a straight line from it to point P. That is from point P to where this point P to where the perpendicular line from point Q is touching the semicircle for P5. P5. Good. I haven't done that. I haven't joined point P to where perpendicular from point Q is cutting P25. Then you will now draw a parallel line to that point. Let me call it P5. You will do it for Q2, where the Q is touching the semicircle for P3. Good. It's parallel to P5, so we call it P3. Good. Then I haven't done that. You will now start using this. You now draw PT. This line PT. Draw a line parallel to line PT to this point where P3 is touching PQ, line PQ here. So from here, I will draw a parallel line. Okay. Then you draw it like this from here. Good. That's for down. Then before we move ahead, there's one thing we must also do before this parallel line. We are going to radiate line from Q to T. Also from Q to S. The radiate line from Q to S. Good. Good. So we can now continue with our parallel line. So now we'll draw a line parallel to TS on this point where this parallel line is touching this radiant line. So we'll do it this way too. Like this, you can follow this way. Okay. We'll put it here. It will stop at the radiant line from Q to S. Then the same applies to this one too. Draw another line parallel to SR or RS. Okay. Good. Now this is now another pentagon in ratio 5 to 3. So this is the pentagon require in ratio 5:3. And there's still another method we can use to draw this, which I will also do. All right, and this is the end of it. We are done. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.